enjoyed your experience with the programme?
I've enjoyed being able to learn new skills, but at the same time still have fun and meet other people. Through the programme I've made many other friends, and there were probably people I would never ever talk to if I didn't know the group, I wouldn't know who they were. And yeah, it can be a good man, sometimes we can all be a bit cheeky to each other, but it's a good bunch of people, and it makes you enjoy the programme so much more, the workshop so much more as well, because you're having a good laugh at the same time you're learning stuff that can help you in the future and really help you with other things you may want to do in life, even school and everything.
Have you enjoyed your experience with the programme so far?
Yeah, I've enjoyed my experience with the programme so far. It's taught me a lot of things about life skills, and it gets you up the street on a Tuesday night.
Have you enjoyed your experience with the programme so far?
Yeah, it was brilliant.
What's brilliant about it? What's examples?
Well, got to meet new people, spend time with the mates, and better my CV.
Probably the best programme I've ever worked on in terms of the young people and seeing what they've actually produced. And I think that's culminated in the final two videos we saw tonight, which was the rap written by Ryan from Derryaki and the piece of work from Money Ray, where they composed, scored, wrote and filmed a phenomenal piece of work. So that for me is inspiring and what should inspire young people.
The young people thought Life Skills was the best programme they'd ever done.
My name is Ben and I am from Brooklands. Life Skills taught me things that I would never learn in school. I loved it.
Hi, my name is Cody and I'm from Collybean Group, and the Life Skills programme probably stopped me from getting into the wrong crowd and getting into trouble.
Life Skills was the best course I've ever done.